This family t-shirt has sold 102 products in the last 24 hours. This funny family shirt has sold 60 in the last 24 hours. With this funny family shirt here has sold 18 in the last 24 hours. And this family t-shirt has sold over 170 products in the last 24 hours. And creating these type of family and group t-shirts is the way to go. And in today's video, I'm sharing with you how to create these family t-shirts yourself and how to apply them to a print on demand product so you can start making sales online with Etsy. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. Now, when we're talking about these family group t-shirts and just group t-shirts in general, you can see there are a lot of different variations you can start selling and creating. And really anything right now for this Christmas season geared towards family group t-shirts is going to do extremely well. And when we're talking about these family group t-shirts here, you can see that these designs don't necessarily have to be a lot in regards to design aesthetics and elements here. You can just simply create the same type of design here and apply the personalization to somewhere on the design, which again, this is the method that we're definitely going to do because this is very easy to scale, especially with the power of AI. And we can see that this has over 1,300 people in the cart and again has sold over 100 products just in the last 24 hours. And the reason why these group t-shirts sell extremely well is that when people buy them, they're buying them just not for their personal use, but they're buying for their family members, their mom, their dad, or even a social group, or even for co-workers. So there's a lot here that can really be done in these group t-shirts, especially in this time of the year where people are gathering for family events or social gatherings or parties. Definitely some opportunities to scale. So again, that's why this type of model for designs sell extremely well. And we can see that here with the results. And again, we can see this design here. It doesn't necessarily have anything tied to personalization, but it can be one that we can definitely scale to different type of funny phrases. But again, we can see that this product sold over 60 times in the last 24 hours. Same thing with this one here. Very simple design, not even bringing in personalization, but this sold over 18 times. And if the question is, can I still sell these products? Is there still room for me to make sales? The answer is yes. This product has only been around for a month, but we can see it has over 1,800 people in the cart and sold well over 170 products. And again, when we find different phrases, unique styles to bring in personalization, we can definitely create this to be a great product for people buying this for a family gathering. And so again, the method that we're going to apply today is definitely utilizing some AI tools to create one design here, but then really branch this design into different people with the personalizations, which I think is probably the easiest way to do this when you're utilizing some AI tools. Now, in order for us to get started with this, we're definitely going to utilize Printify. As you can see, it is free to get started. They have a lot of things for you to create and sell, and they really make it easy for you to connect your Etsy shop to your Printify account so that if you get an order, Printify will take care of all that for you. You can just simply set up your Etsy shop with your Printify account and start creating high quality designs like I'm talking about in today's video. So again, if you do want to get started with Printify, make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. Again, you can get started absolutely for free, and you can follow along with me in today's video so you know how to create your first print on demand design. And so with that being said, we can see a lot of opportunities for us to create and sell. We're definitely going to utilize some AI tools to bridge two designs together to make something new. And then we're going to definitely utilize this strategy here where we're going to add in the personalization somewhere on the design to make it easy, just to focus on one design and just scale this to different people here. So the tool that I'm going to use today is my Creative Prompt AI tool. You can already see some of the designs that I was able to make utilizing this AI tool. And so this is exactly what we're going to use in connection with Printify to really make this process easy for us. So the area that we're going to spend some time today is in my new Remix Studio. This is where we are able to really craft in two images that are working well and blend them together to create something drastically new. The great thing about this is that we can find a mock-up image on Etsy and utilize that as a template to redesign and recreate and bring new things into this space and really change it up to really make it unique. So with that being said, we're going to jump over into our Remix Studio. And then from here, we're going to set this to be on the t-shirt PNG preset, as there's already multiple paragraphs about how to get this design right in regards to our reference images. So we have our two images in place. We definitely want to bring in this nice Highland cow theme here, and we definitely want to follow this with something about Christmas as a family and definitely put the year in. And so we already have our pre-prompt in place, but we added in these additional words just to be more specific in regards to the outcome that we want here. So we definitely want to keep the Christmas family theme, put the year 2025, grab the Highland cow, but just a different variation. And again, we definitely want some type of text or some font styles, bring in the Christmas family theme from the second image here. And again, is able to look at both of these images and really bring something unique out of the both that we have. So with that being said, I want to scale this up to 4 variations because I definitely want to give myself some options in regards to which one I want to select and choose. All right, so here are the results we were able to gather, and I think these came out extremely well. Definitely taking upon the Highland cow theme that we saw, but bring in the doodle type of letters here for the Christmas family, and we can see these came out very well. Definitely giving us some good variations between the both of these here, but again, I think all of those came out well. And again, this is just the options we have to really create these to be personalized, as we learned before. Just by simply adding in the name on top of the hat can be personalization enough for us. But again, I think we have some great options to choose from in regards to our design. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and save all of these images to our folder. And now you can see we have a great selection of products we can definitely design. We could even go down and remix this even further in the studio, or just bring in 2 different variations from our designs to really build this out even further if we wanted to here. But I think everything is good here. Now for our example today, we'll just go ahead and select this design here. So this is the one that we can definitely add in personalization in multiple ways here at the bottom of the design, or even with the inner part of the hat here. So a lot of opportunities for us to definitely create this with personalization. With that being said, we'll download this, upscale this, and then we'll go over into Printify to add in those placeholder names when we are adding in personalization. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and remove the background here, and then we'll also upscale the image to be 4x, which is going to be perfect print quality once this is printed out for our customer. All right, so now everything is done. We have our background removed. We have our item upscaled. Now this entire design is ready to go to upload into Printify. So we go ahead and download this as a PNG. We'll head back over into Printify here, where we're going to select T-shirt from the category. And we'll go ahead and select the Bella Plus Canvas 3001 series here, which is a very popular and very soft T-shirt. We go ahead and start designing here, and now we can drag and drop our design right here into Printify. So the good thing about Printify is that we actually have text right here in the platform itself. So when we head over to the letter T here, we can choose from multiple different fonts to add into our design here. And what I found to work best is the script font when we are doing these type of personalizations. I definitely want to add in this font style here. And then we can add in this personalization just specifically for the family's name. So we simply add in that very simple placeholder here where it says Johnson Family, but this really can be whatever name you want it to be. And this could definitely be a huge opportunity for you to scale these designs. Again, we can go into the Remix Studio a little bit further and make this into funny phrases, or actually put in this doodle type style, dad, mom, grandma, and still be consistent with our overall design. But again, just adding in that personalization for the family's name along with a AI design, I think is a great combination when you are trying to sell these type of products. Here is how easy it is to remix your design even further, to have some consistency when you are creating these for specific people. So again, only thing we did here was add in our design, which we made from our Remix Studio. Again, it says Christmas Family 2025, but we specifically told the AI prompt for this specific design, just add the name Dad at the bottom, utilizing those same type of doodle letters. And again, you can see how consistent this is. But at the bottom now it says Dad, and you can see how easy this is to build out into multiple people to really make this personalized, but still stay within that theme of our entire text design. We could do the same thing as we've done before. Instead of this saying Dad, the only thing we have to do here is change this over into Mom. Go ahead and hit generate, and now you can just see how easy that is to really start building this out, to really be focused on specific people, but still keep the same theme of the entire design. So as you can see, there's definitely a lot of opportunities we can do when we are creating these designs to fit into the family group t-shirts. And this could definitely be a design that we scale out and start selling on Etsy with Printify. So again, if you do want to get access to Printify, make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And if you do want to get access to my creative prompt tool, where we were able to create all of these designs, this is something I built for my Etsy membership community. just to make it easy for you to really find great designs to create and sell, have the tools and resources to make these, but also have the coaching, the online classes, and the daily AI prompts you can use yourself. So again, I'll make sure to leave all of this information down in my description box below so you can get started yourself selling these products online with Etsy. And check out this next video here where I share with you another popular trend you can start creating and selling on Etsy to really build out multiple products. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.